Representative. After I answered questions related to extrajudicial killings and the reward system, I was approached by a security personnel while I was seated in one of the witnesses during the hearing. The said person told me that I was summoned by Congressman Dan Fernandez. I went out of the room with the security personnel. When we were outside, he told me to go to the left corridor and proceed straight to the end room. While walking, I saw other witnesses who were standing in the corridor, including my classmate, Major Portalesa and Captain Anova, who was wearing a PNP uniform, and the latter acknowledged me by saluting. When I entered the room, I saw two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma standing inside the room. One of the lawyers approached me and then asked me what we are going to talk about. I said I do not know. After a while, Kong Dan Fernandez entered the room and he asked me to sit beside him on his right side. And then Kong Abante entered the room, sat far end of the chair on the right. One of the lawyers of Police Karma stood near at my back. Kong Dan Fernandez put the paper he was holding on the table and told me, "Ito ang sasabihin mong statement na ito," while pointing on the paragraph on the paper. Ito ang supplemental affidavit ni Colonel Garma. Sabihin mo, alam mo ang reward
Grijaldo
system.
enters the holding room.
I-confirm mo lang.
At 7:17:59 p.m., Attorney Emericio Quilam enters. At 7:18:11 p.m., Attorney Rotsi Comigat enters. At 7:19 p.m., Congressman Dan Fernandez enters. At 7:20:35 p.m., Congressman Benny Abante enters. At 7:35:35 p.m., Congressman Dan Fernandez and Benny Abante leave the holding
And
room.
I asked myself,
At
why me?
7:36:14 p.m., Colonel Grijaldo exits with Attorney Quilam and Attorney Comigat.
They are saying,
At
as I have not read the
7:36:25 p.m., Colonel Grijaldo, all
went silent
smiles,
for a
is
while.
seen conversing with
And
Jimmy
then Kong Dan Fernandez
Fortaleza.
said, while holding the affidavit, saan ka pwede? Dito, noong 1999, about DDS,